Hello viewers, you are welcome to my Facebook page. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at this question on this board. So therefore, the question says solve for all possible values of x. Having x to power x to power x dot dot dot, that means the x to infinity then equals to 4. So therefore, first of all, what we should look at is that you can see that we have this base here to power x and so on. So how are you going to do? You can see that if we take it from here like this, okay, so this will become the base and raised to power x, which shows that all of this from here upward is same thing as what? Same thing as 4 that we have here. Are you getting now? Which means this is what? Same thing as 4. All of this from here is same thing as 4. So therefore, we can write this equation to be x to power what? X to power 4 equals to what? Equals to 4. Are you following now? So therefore, we are going to solve what? We are going to solve this equation further, and whatsoever we get becomes our solutions. Okay? So therefore, here, from the law of indices, this x to power 4 can be written as x to power 2, then to power 2. So that when you have 2 times 2, we are going to be having 4. Then equals to this 4 can actually come to the left hand side, becomes what? This 4 can be written as 2 to power what? 2 to power 2, then equals what? Equals 0. Are you following? So now what's the next thing we are going to do? So you can see that we have x squared to power 2, 2 to power 2. So from difference of 2 square. So therefore, we are going to have, okay, so now we are going to use this idea, in solving this problem. So therefore, we are going to have x squared, then minus what? Minus 2. Then we have what? X squared plus 2, then equals what? Equals 0. Are you following? So now from here, what's the next thing we are going to do? So from here, it is either x squared minus 2 is equal to 0, or what? Or x squared plus 2 is equal what? Is equal to 0. Then also, what are we going to do? So we can see that we take this one, we are going to be having x squared, okay, then minus, like this, we can actually rewrite these two as what? This. Do you understand now? That is root 2 raised to power what? Raised to power 2. So that these two will cancel these two. Is that understood? So we are going to be having 0. Therefore, we haven't changed anything here. So because we are still going to have 2 here when this power cancel this. So from here, using this again, we are going to be having x minus root 2, okay, then x plus root 2, then equals what? Equals to 0. Are you getting now? So don't forget that we are considering this first one, okay. So therefore, from here we can have x minus root 2 is said to be 0, or x plus root 2 to be equals to what? To be equals to 0. So we are going to be having x to be equals to, if this should go to the other side, we are going to be having root 2, or if this should go to the other side, we are going to be having minus 2 root 2. So which implies that we have plus or minus root 2. That is the first possible solutions of what? Of x. Is that understood? So now we are going to consider this second factor, that is x squared plus 2 equals what? Equals 0. Sending this to the other side, we are going to have x squared equals to minus 2. Are you getting it now? So now what are we going to do here? We are going to take the square root of both sides. So now taking the square root of both sides like this, we are going to be having this. And this from root of minus 1 equals to what? Is equals to I. Are you getting it now? This is from the what? From complex plane. Where you have root of minus 1, it will be equals to I. So therefore, this is same thing as what? I. Therefore, we have I, that is plus or minus. Don't forget, because of this square root, equals to plus or minus, okay, root 2i. And that is the solution to the problem. So we have what? We have this possible values. Let me call it possible values of x. That is to be root 2 minus root 2 plus root 2i, and what? And minus root 2i. So those are the solutions to this problem. As you know before that we are having the power 4, therefore we are going to be having, this is quartic equation, we are going to be having 4 possible solutions for the value of x. And that's going to be the end of today's class. If you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Thank you. Bye.